Now watch, she got something to say. Looks like a winter wonderland. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, we got power right there.
That's why I power out. Hi guys. Happy Saturday. Today is December the 9th. And we are on our way to take our Christmas card pictures in all of this weather. But they're going to be so beautiful. I can't believe we actually got snow. How lucky are we? Just hope that we get there safely. Kelvin, you want to say hi?
Hey.
You always just give them a hey. Say something else. How about happy holidays?
Happy holidays.
And Coda is back here. You'll have to see her when we get out. We have on matching skirts that were made by Creative Imperfections. You'll see them on our pictures. But this has been quite a story. Who knew when we scheduled these pictures that it was going to snow? So my hair appointment got canceled, so I had to tame this head all by myself. And then I couldn't get my makeup done, so I had to whip something together this morning. I'm no makeup professional, don't quite know how to contour, but I think it'll be all right for these pictures. And for the first time, I actually think I like my lip a little bit. What do you guys think? But I'll show you guys some more of this snow, and we'll check back in with you when we get where we're going. Walking to where we're taking our pictures. I don't know how we're gonna cross the street because there's so much ice everywhere. Let me show you guys. Okay. Going back to where we took our engagement pictures. Can't wait for you guys to see them. See you later. Come on. You gonna watch us build the snowman? All right, so we are back home now, and our neighborhood is doing a competition for snowman. We get a free clubhouse rental. So Dakota's birthday is coming up, so we need to win this. So we're about to start decorating our snowman, or building him. You know what you're doing, babe?
Yeah, you're going to make it a circle.
No,
we need to go
it
get
need to be higher than this. The bottom need to be higher.
Cause it's so big, yeah.
You made it too wide, so now it gotta be like this.
It was a huge circle over there. Somebody had rolled up somehow. Let me know when it's time to decorate them. That's what I'm good at. can't come back outside. You've been outside long enough today. Hey, boo-boo. Hey. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Dakota. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Finna see if I could go find us some arms. We don't have no tree. We cut our tree down. Oh my gosh. It's not that cold out here actually, especially once you get in the sun. So I'm on a mission now to find us some arms for our snowman. Oh, those got thorns on them. Oh gosh. This doesn't look good at all back here. The snow is gonna have so much water. Oh, here goes a tree. Maybe my neighbor won't mind. Oh. It's one arm. Two arms. Now watch, she got something to say. Oh, shit. Almost fell, guys. Watch, he got something to say about my arms. It's death mission. Oh my God.
Weak looking arms, this big ass snowman.
And I just said as I was walking up here, watch, you got something smart to say about my arms.
You're making this big ass
How
snowman.
right
Look
was
at
I?
This. Look at this arm. Look at this arm, Jim.
It's two arms. It's two arms.
Fucking twiggly ass arm.
Look. Arm one.
You gotta take the leaves off.
Yeah. Why don't we take the leaves off? It'll be all right.
We can wrap some. I got brown paper, just wrap it around.
Yeah, see, we're going to decorate them.
So I'm gonna be able to hold on to that.
Hold on to what?
Them branches, y'all say I gonna wrap them with something.
What you trying to hold on to it?
You say she gonna put something on it.
We gonna wrap it. We gonna make us a brown snowman. He got white. He got on the chinchilla, white chinchilla. That's why he white from the snow. But we gonna wrap his arms brown. Okay. Thank you very much. All right, guys, we're about to finish this snowman up. I'll show you guys the finished product once we're all done. Sun's coming out. I don't want the snow to melt. I wish it could just stay like this the whole winter and then just melt when summer starts. You don't like his grill? That makes sense. Where's head at?
There you go.
Oh my Lord. He look like something from The Walking Dead. There you go. That's the guy. Alright, so here is our final product. The Ultimate Georgia Fan with his Georgia snowman. Check out the Gangsta Grizzles.
Power G, baby.
With the cigar. Alright, so we got Ugga down here. It's our snowman under the shade because the sun is coming out. We got Gangsta Grills with the cigar. What do you think about the snowman? Do you like the snowman? Do you like the snowman, Dakota?
And he sit tall and funny.
Dakota, you like a novice.
Dakota. 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 Little girl. Look. You like the hat? How's your granddaddy hat?
She got it on.
Mm-hmm. Just don't you run my toes over.
Dakota.
I didn't call you, Nana called you. In our photo shoot outfits. We are about to go to Kelvin's work Christmas party and have a good time. So I guess we'll check back in if something's going on. I don't want to invade people's privacy too much. But if not, I will see you guys on tomorrow. You think you cute?
Hmm?
You think you cute or
Oh,
something?
yeah, you know, a little bit. I didn't think.
Whatever.
Listen.
Go on, we on the wrong floor. Do you know where you going? Huh? He don't know where he going.
Oh,
You got this, it's cold. I ain't got no jacket on. You got me all over this place. Following you into foolishness. Oh, I hope it didn't leave us. Oh, gosh.